Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Firenze Gaputra and I'm from Informatics Engineering 1. For all of you who watch this video, I want to thank you so much and I really appreciate that. Before we getting started, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in fully connected world? Imagine waking up and everything in your home is setting lights up, your coffee is ready, and your favorite music playing out without your moving a finger. Sounds amazing, right? But have you ever thought the risk behind this convenience? That's the magic of the Internet of Things, or IoT. In this video, I'll explain what IoT is, its challenges, and what we can learn from real-world example. First thing first, what exactly IoT is? IoT stands for Internet of Things. It's a network of devices that are connected to each other and the cloud, sharing data and working together. These devices can be anything from your everyday household items, like your thermostat or smart speaker, to more complex machines used in industries. Each IoT device has sensors and software that allow it to collect data and make decisions automatically. For example, your thermostat learns your prefer and adjusts itself all while you're away from home. More and more companies and even industry are using IoT to work more efficiently, improve customer service, and make better decisions. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. How IoT works, the challenge it presents, and the lesson what we can learn from the real world example. So, how is IoT change our daily life? IoT connects devices so they can work together and respond to data in real time. For example, with smart home devices, you can control things like lights, security systems, and even your coffee maker with your phone or voice, making life easier and more efficient. Okay, next. So we talk about how IoT transforms daily life, but where exactly can we see this technology in action? Let me share you a few examples that you might already familiar with or using yourself. The first one, let's talk about smart homes. Imagine your thermostat learning your preferred room temperature and adjusting automatically to keep you comfortable, or being able to control lights, security system, and even your coffee maker from your phone. Convenient, right? And the next one is healthcare. Fitness trackers and smartwatch are common example of IoT here. They monitor your heart rate, track your step, and some can even send data directly to your doctor. These devices help with remote patient monitoring and ensure timely healthcare intervention. And the third one is agriculture. IoT is also make a big difference in agriculture. Farmers use soil sensor to get real-time data about moisture levels, making irrigation more precise. Weather sensor help optimize crop management while saving water resource. And lastly is transportation. IoT has revolutionized transportation. Many cars today can communicate with traffic system to reduce congestion and improve safety. And with the rise of self-driving car, commuting as we know it might soon change forever. As you can see, IoT isn't just about fancy gadget, it's improving every aspect of our daily life, from home and health to food and transportation. So we've seen how IoT transforms many areas in our life, but how does it look like in a real-world example? Let's talk about Tesla. I'm sure most of you know Tesla famous of their electric cars, but Tesla is more than just electricity. They've integrated an IoT into their vehicles in ways that have changed that entirely automotive industry. Let me tell you a bit about how Tesla started and how IoT became a key part of their success. Tesla was founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, but became widely recognized when Elon Musk joined as an investor in 2004 and later became the CEO in 2008. Tesla's mission was to transition the world to sustainable energy, starting with electric vehicles. Tesla revolutionized the automotive industry by integrating an IoT technologies into their vehicles, transforming them into the connected cars that could collect real-time data. This data was then used to enhance vehicle performance and allow for over-the-air software updates. However, the rise of connected cars raised several concerns, particularly regarding data security and vehicle safety. With continuous data transmission, there was a risk of cyber attacks and potential exposure of sensitive user information. To solving this problem, Tesla implemented over-the-air updates which allow vehicle to automatically receive and software updates. They also employed advanced data encryption and integrated security monitoring systems to prevent data breaches. So that's how Tesla has been using IoT to revolutionize the automotive industry. It's pretty impressive how they combine technology, innovation, and customer needs to create something so advanced, isn't it? So what we can learn from this experience is Tesla approach shows us that security must be a top priority when implementing IoT in vehicles. But moreover, regular software updates are crucial to maintaining security and improving vehicle features. Lastly, transparency and control over user data are essential for building trust with consumers. So, we already in the end of presentation. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. First, we learned how IoT transforming our daily life, making things smarter and easier. Then we look at Tesla and saw how they use IoT to make cars that are not just electric cars, but also connected and smart. And finally, we talk about the lesson we can learn, like keeping everything secure, updating regularly, and being honest with users about their data. So what's big idea here? IoT isn't just about cool gadgets and or smart cars. It's about making life better and solving problems in new ways. Let's think about how we can use IoT to make our own ideas or project even better. The future is full of possibilities. I think this is enough presentation of this video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.